Welcome to OneClick2021 Installation. In the following we will review how to install OneClick2021. You open DAZ 3D and go to your My Account, and there you find your product library. Here are all the products you purchased. Go to Head Shop OneClick2021 and there's a manual download zip. So go ahead and click on download zip and watch the progress bar. Make sure your download is finished. Now open file and click on extract all. So this will ask you location where you want the files extracted. Create a new folder. I created this on desktop. Call it whatever you like. And just select folder and it will extract all of the folders here. And here it goes. So now you find the folder that you just created, and as you can see there is the installer and the readme document. It's important to also open the readme and get information. So next thing is, most importantly, to find where your actual working DAZ Studio is installed. There are many ways to open DAZ Studio, but the best way to find out where it is actually located is to go to the help file inside DAZ Studio and then about installed plugins. Click on any of them and you will find where the application is installed. It usually ends with DAZ 3D. So in this case, this is the default location, program files /DAZ 3D. So that would be your destination folder. Now many people have DAZ Studio installed on other drives or other locations. Here is another example. DAZ Studio is located here in Easy Store E, and we find out where the rest is. So again, go to help file, about installed plugins. Again, click a plugin on, and then here we see the location as E-DAZ 3D. So that would be your destination to install your Head Shop plugin. So that is it, E-DAZ 3D. So now we can continue do the installation. Sometimes you have to override the MS Defender, but that's okay. It opens up the installer, and this is the OneClick installer. This is the important part. It tells you about how to select your destination folder. First, it asks for the license key. It's again under your My Accounts and serial numbers. So you guys just go and find your serial number. In this case, it's here. Copy it. And then go back to the installer and enter it. So we enter it and then continue on. Now here is the tricky part where you need to browse to the actual location. So remember, we had it on E drive in a folder called DAZ 3D. So that is your actual destination. As you can see, E, 3D, and DAZ 3D. That's simple as that. If, on the other hand, if it was installed on a C drive in the program files, again, the folder is called DAZ 3D, so this is your destination. So either way, you install it to the destination, and then it will finish it for you. So exit, and so the question is, what exactly happened? Where did we install files? So for example, we go to program files, DAZ 3D on a C drive. It will install a headshot plugin folder inside DAZ 3D. Then there's other three files get installed inside DAZ 3D, DAZ Studio 4. One is in the bin folder, one is in the plugin folder, and one is in the resources folder. It's a folder called FaceShop. So these are the files that get installed, and that's pretty much it. So you can launch DAZ Studio and find OneClick under the edit menu. So we placed a Genesis figure on stage, and then under the edit menu we launched OneClick2021. Here it is. These are teach panels. You can close them if you don't want to see them again. And the selection file is, you can browse for a picture. I would strongly suggest to find a picture that's a good high resolution picture, and just double click on it and it will show up here. Notice that it auto finds the dots, and then also auto finds the gender. You can of course manually override the gender and then click accept. Once you did that, another teach panel pops up. You can close this, and here is your 3D head. So using the tools you can rotate the head around, smooth it, and so forth. There's a detailed how-to video on YouTube. So now, for the sake of this tutorial, we just export the 3D head. It says successfully exported, and then it closes one click and then changes the shape of the head and places the texture of the head. So again, a how-to video in the location shown here.